Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have something really special from MACHENIKE. This is the MACHENIKE G3 V2 gaming controller, which has some pretty good features which we're gonna go through in a second. It also comes with a charging dock, which I think is absolutely amazing because it's been times where I forgot basically to charge my controller overnight, and next day when I wanted to play it was on 0%. With this one you don't have to worry. Once you're done playing, just dock it, it will charge by itself and it will be always ready to go. So basically this is the box of it. We have a picture of how everything looks like. We have the controller and the dock, MACHENIKE G3 V2, and on the side right here it says esports ecosystem. On the other side, it tells us that we have two color options. So we have white and black. And on the back, we have some features in different languages. So it's a bit tiny, but I'm gonna try to show you guys. So RGB light ring, 1000 Hz of pulling rate, which is absolutely great. Hall effect joysticks and triggers, which we're gonna talk about in a second, and 1000 milliamp battery. That should be enough for you to game for a whole day, even with the RGB on. Again, it's really handy because it comes with a charging dock. So that being said, let's go ahead and open the box. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside the box, and after that we're gonna connect it to our setup and show you guys how everything works. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So let's start with the small stuff first. So we have a user manual right here with pictures. It tells you everything you need to know about the controller, how to remap the keys, how to use it to its max potential. So I suggest you give this a read. It will help you understand what you can do with this controller and use it at its full potential. We have a 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle, receiver and transmitter. Right here, this will plug in into any empty USB type A port on your device, that being your laptop or your PC. We have a charging cable, USB type A to USB type C, which you can plug directly into the controller, or you can plug it into the dock. This is the dock right here. So on the back of the dock, we have a USB type C port and a USB type A port to hold the receiver. And on the front right here we have two charging pins, which will connect at the bottom of the controller right here. So once you place it, there you go, it will just start charging once it's plugged in. Right now it's not plugged in. And having a look at the controller, it feels really good. It has a nice weight to it. On the back we have textured, it's like a grip, like a textured grip. It feels really nice. We have two mappable buttons, M1 and M2. The triggers and the joysticks are Hall effect, means they're not using analog, they're using magnets, so you will never have stick drift. That's absolutely great. And with a pulling rate of 1000 Hz wireless, it's absolutely amazing. It means you get no input delay at all, almost to nothing, and feels really solid. I really like, especially with the white color combination. I think it really matches the aesthetics of my desk, especially that I got a white mouse. You can see everything just looks nice. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. Let's go ahead now and set it up. I'm gonna show you guys how to connect it, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. Maybe we'll play some game. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, this is how the controller and the dock look like when they all next to your setup. I really like the white color because it matches the aesthetics of my desk and my peripherals. White Stream Deck, white keyboard, white mouse, and the white controller just complements everything. And the RGB, it's absolutely gorgeous. To connect it to your device was super simple. All you have to do is take that 2.4 gigahertz dongle that I showed you previously and connect it to any available USB type A port on your device being either a laptop or a PC, and it will work straight away. As you can see, the controller is charging right now because it's flashing that light right there. I have connected the charging dock with the cable they provided to my USB dock, that it's also powered. Make sure whatever you plug it into has enough power to charge the controller. That's really important. You can also plug it into a regular power brick. And steady light when it's not charging, flashing light when it's charging. Super simple. It's that easy. It's super easy. So props to MACHENIKE for that. That's really convenient. And again, the RGB looks absolutely amazing, especially on the top bit with this see-through material. I think it looks gorgeous. And everything just works straight away. Hall effect joysticks, Hall effect triggers, and obviously almost no input delay at all, because we have that 1000 Hertz of pulling rate. So let's see if we can shoot someone. I should have put my gun on full auto, but yeah, I shot him. Everything works. As you can see, the movement is instant, so my eyes can't perceive no input delay, and obviously it looks awesome. So yeah, if you guys want to buy this controller, I will have a link in the video description down below. Make sure you check MACHENIKE out. They have other gaming peripherals. They do awesome stuff all the time. You'll find more on their website. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.